Hey, Coco. Coco. Boy, hello. You've grown some hair, aren't you? You've grown some hair, my boy. You're no longer bald. You're no longer bald. Look at that. You've grown some hair. Yeah? Oh, come here. Where's your toy? Oh, let's find your toy. Here's your toy. Come. Bounce a little boy. Bouncing around. Gimme, gimme. You're coughing, my boy. Do we need to make you drink some cough medicine again? I think we need to. You're coughing again because it's rainy season. I'm gonna give you some, right? Some cough medicine. What are you thinking, boy? You don't want medicine? But you have to. Coco? 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 What? 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 Coco? Not in the mood anymore? What's up, boy? What? You wanna go pee? Come on, Coco. Come on, come on. Coco. Coco. Come on. Go. Coco, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go pee. Come on. Go. Go. Go to the bathroom. Go pee. Go pee, my boy. Okay, now go pee. Coco. Coco, pee. Okay, he's done. Go ahead, let's go.